is another example on two-dimensional array. In this program, I have declared two int values, row and column, and I have declared a two-dimensional array called matrix, and I have initialized this array at the same time. So this part initializes the first row with 2, 3, and 1, and this part initializes the second row with 15, 25, and 13. So this has 2 rows and 3 columns. This is how you declare, allocate, and initialize the array in one step. Next, we need to print this array element by element, so we need two nested for loops. The first loop will go through all the rows starting at row 0, ending at the matrix.length, and incremented by 1 at the end of the loop. The second loop will go through all the columns starting at column 0, ending at matrix subrow dot length, and incrementing the column by 1 at the end. In each time we will print matrix subrow subcolumn. So a two-dimensional array should always be indexed using a row number and a column number. Note here that I have used print instead of print line because I want the elements of one row to go beside each other, separated by a tab. At the end of each row, I will use system.out.println to go and print on the next line. Let's take a look at how this program executes when we run it. So this is how it executes. It prints each row in a separate line, and each element is separated by the other with a tab. So this is like a table. So let's take a closer look at this program and see how this program is executed step by step. So here we start by declaring row and column, and then declaring the two-dimensional array. We fill the array, and then we start the outer loop. Row equals 0. Is 0 less than 2? True. We go inside. Column equals 0. Is 0 less than 3? True. So we print and increment column. Then we check 1 less than 3, true. So we print the second column, increment column to 2. Is 2 less than 3, true. We print the third column, we increment column to 3. Check if 3 is less than 3. This is false, so we finished the first column. We go back and increment row to 1. We check is 1 is less than 2, true. So we go to the inner loop. Column starts again at 0. Is 0 less than 3? True. We print and increment column to 1. Is 1 less than 3? It's true. We print the second column. Column increments to 2. Is 2 less than 3? This is true. So print the third column and increment column. Check if 3 is less than 3. This is false. We finish the second row. We go back. We increment row to become 2. We test is 2 less than 2. This is false. So we finished the outer loop. That's all for today's video. Thank you for listening.